Hello South Africa. Today is Monday, March 14, 2022, and here is a news in a minute. Is the end of the state of disaster in sight? The outcomes of the National Coronavirus Command Council's NCCC meeting on Monday, March 14, 2022, will likely determine just how long South Africa will continue with the state of disaster. While there are warnings of a fifth wave of COVID-19 infections in June, like many other countries, South Africa is slowly phasing in a post-COVID-19 environment, as evidenced by the fact that most of the restrictions have been eased and rules on how to manage positive cases have been adjusted. The national state of disaster, as it currently stands, is subject to extension on a month-to-month basis by the Department of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, COGTA. It was declared in March 2020, at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. According to Sunday Times, the state of disaster is at the top of the agenda when the NCCC meets, but is highly unlikely that it will be scrapped anytime soon. According to the publication, ministers have failed to agree on a set of regulations that could be introduced to replace the state of disaster. An insider is cited as having said that some ministers take issue with their health counterpart, Dr. Joe Fowler, having too much authority over the restrictions. Back in February, Fowler did in fact say that a number of departments are considering alternative measures which would essentially replace the state of disaster, which is expected to expire on Tuesday, March 15, 2022. This is Leah for the South African.